How to set up parental controls on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen again. So here you'll be able to see the option of Family Center. So tap on Family Center, and as you tap on Family Center, it will give you different options available over here. So here you have add a YouTube Kids profile and invite a teen. So if you have a kid above teenager or above teen, then you can select the option of invite a teen. I'm going to give you an example of invite a teen over here. So tap on invite a teen, and then here you can see you can just create an invite over here. So tap on create invite, and as you tap on create invite, now they can just accept the invite until the certain deadline at certain time period, and then they just have to scan this QR, and then they'll be able to set up parental controls on YouTube. You can also share a link over here by tapping on share a link instead, and then you'll be able to set up that parental controls on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.